We'll discuss the first principle, Nemo Judex in Casua. So, this very principle of natural justice means that the rule against bias means no man should be a judge in his own cause, and it expresses about judicial neutrality. Judge here includes every adjudicatory authority, and this is the rule against bias. The deciding authority must be impartial to apply only his mind objectively. And regarding that, in the very leading case, one English leading case, James versus Grand Junction Canal in 1852, Lord Chancellor Cottenham's decision was held as an offence against the rule of bias by Lord Campbell, the Speaker of the House of Lords. So, bias has been held to be like a drop of poison in a cup of pure milk. Bias negates fairness and reasonableness. And so now we'll discuss the very question of the test of bias. So regarding that, the real likelihood of bias means the possibility rather than probability, at least substantial possibility of bias must be done in judicial review of administrative action. Dr. Smith explained that the test of real likelihood of bias, that justice must be rooted in confidence. So also, White and Fruity say that likelihood means possibility rather than probability. It has been made clear that the fair-minded and informed observer would adopt a balanced approach in ensuring public confidence in the administration of justice. And in that connection, we could discuss one leading case delivered by our Supreme Court, that is K.M.V.Nigam Ltd versus Girija Shankar Prasad in 2001. The Supreme Court in the very case. So also in another leading case, the State of Punjab versus vsV.K.Khana in 2001, observed that the real likelihood of bias means there must be at least a substantial possibility of bias in order to render an administrative action invalid. So now we'll discuss regarding the very types of bias. So the types of bias could be divided into three categories. One is pecuniary bias, the personal bias second one, and the third one bias as to the subject matter. And regarding the first one, that is pecuniary bias and the personal bias and bias as to subject matter of the litigation, we would like to discuss in our upcoming videos.